Urbanization is one of the most important demographic shifts worldwide. Over the past century, there has been a significant change in the way that the majority of the world's population lives. And by 2050, over 68% of the world's population will live in cities. Cities are full of opportunity, but they come with challenges. Urban populations have some of the world's most prominent health disparities. Some of the factors that impact urban health are things like natural and built environment, social and economic development, food security, air pollution, overcrowding, and even politics. Cities face increased threats of health challenges such as infectious disease like HIV/AIDS, HCV, tuberculosis, pneumonia, and measles, non-communicable diseases like heart disease, asthma, and diabetes, and threats from city life like traffic injuries and violence. In cities, there are also typically more dramatic differences in health between communities, meaning that one neighborhood might have amazing health and the one right next to it might be suffering. This is because of the inequities from residential segregation. Each neighborhood comes with its own urban environment. Urban environments have high population density and have different influences ranging from education availability and quality, socioeconomics, as well as biological and environmental factors. These influences are very different in an urban setting than they are in suburban or rural environments. Many times, these influences have a greater impact on urban populations. Urban health is the field of public health that works to break down and figure out how these factors work together to affect the health outcomes of large populations. The complexities of this field include understanding urban systems, disease transmission, and impact of factors like air quality, overcrowding, access to nature, sanitation, access to education and healthcare, and so much more. Urban health practitioners work to uncover the causes of urban health problems, evaluate policies, and develop innovative solutions to improve the quality of life and health outcomes for urbanites. Here at NYU-GPH, we are actively researching these impacts on city dwellers. Being located in the heart of the most populated city in the United States, we thrive in this field. We teach our students how to break down these complex issues and train them to understand how all these pieces work together. We build partnerships between cities and within our local communities, and we train our students to be tomorrow's urban health leaders.